So it's kind of pointless to do the O2 sensor right now and go through all the hassle. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but we just have it on a cold start right now, the Mustang, and it's running pretty good. Started first try.
How close you want me?
Just right there, it's fine. Okay, so we got my steel, and we're gonna try and weld these pieces together. Hopefully this goes a little bit better than last time, because this is less rusty, so here we go. Okay, it kind of broke apart. Give me a sec. I really wish I had something to... Oh, it ate through it. It's too much. I have it on minimum too. Okay. Alright, so we're going to try this again. Hopefully this one goes a little bit better. Okay, that was a lot better. Come on, come here. Show that. So I'd say from the beginning, from when I started, that looks a lot cleaner than what all the bubbles and stuff. The bubbles are still there, but I'll turn this off. You can actually see it's a bead instead of just like all this stuff over here is bubbles. So that, I'm actually really happy. I didn't stay all the way in the line, I kind of went off at the end, but I'm happy with that.